Namaskar. Here I am Suresh Kaushal speaking from India on my YouTube channel Navgraha Mantra. We follow Vedic Hindu system when we discuss astrology. It is totally different from Western type of astrology. It's an ancient system. We discuss all 9 stars, 7 heavenly bodies and nodal points Rahu and Ketu, total 9 stars, 27 nakshatras and 12 zodiac signs from Aries to Pisces. Today I am discussing with my friends, particularly Western friends, about impact of very threatening coronavirus. Coronavirus seems to sweeping away total progress made by entire world in last 30-40 years. It's threatening very existence of human life and hitting all countries economically very hard. Something a recession of 30s is expected in coming 2-3 years. Coronavirus took off from Wuhan city of China. It was casually taken by Europe and USA, considered to be a very casual incident, and now they are paying price for this. It's very surprising to see certain letters or characters in English, and countries by those names are suffering more by coronavirus. Consider India I, Iran I, Iraq I, Italy I, Indonesia I, United Kingdom U, USA U, TUVR, SPK and D. These are the letters. And countries known by these letters are hit very badly. China is People's Republic of China, but we normally call it China. It's controlled by sign Pisces. So it is not hit very hard. In India, there is a city, Indore, by name I. India says I. Delhi's letter D. Dharvi in Mumbai, Dharvi slum is letter D. Hit very badly. So name is very important. In fact, I was thinking of suggesting our government to change name of India. Change name of India without bringing a constitutional change to Bharatvarsh or Aryabharat. Because the name India is not giving much peace to this nation entire last 73 years after independence. So here I was discussing about Italy. Italy's date of birth is 2nd June 1946. Lagna is Capricorn Lagna, in Hindu it is Makara Lagna. Moon sign is Mithuna. Mithuna Rashi, that is called Gemini sign. In this sign Gemini, in Italy's horoscope, Moon, Venus and Saturn are placed. Let's not forget that Moon rules sign Cancer, related to lungs in Hindu system of astrology. And in corona attack, lungs are the only organ, mostly lung and pneumonia caused by virus is very important factor. But before going to lungs, it passes through your respiratory cord. That is sign Gemini, sign Mithuna in Hindu astrology. So both these factors, moon sign, moon is with Saturn and it is placed in sign Mithuna. Sign Cancer is occupied by debilitated Mars. Mars is very weak in sign Cancer. In the 7th house is a killer house for Italy. Italy is going through a very tough period from 13th April 2017 to 13th April 2020. That means Italy is more or less out of this difficulty, from 13th of April 2020. But I feel it will take 15 June to 15 August to fully feel secure and satisfied as far as the coronavirus existence on soil of Italy is concerned. Italy will be going through a period of Jupiter from 13 April 2020 to 13 December 2022. So, in this period, it will try to regain its economic foothold, but huge expenses, huge financial costs will be experienced by Italy. Italy is almost devastated in the attack of coronavirus. But I can tell you that entire Europe, though it is EUROP, but UK, USA, TUVR, SP and K, T and Y. As I told you, these are the letters affecting the nations. Another thing, eastern side, eastern horizon of Earth, from Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Japan, South Korea, India. After 13th of April, these countries are somehow able to control effect of coronavirus. Some people say that the temperature is not a various factor. In India, from 30th of April to 30th of May, temperatures are likely to remain between 42 to 50, 51 degrees of centigrade in various parts, particularly Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and in the eastern parts of the country. Some people say it is temperature, is not the factor, but I say temperature is the factor in different zodiac signs. Star Sun was under vicious attack of Saturn from 13 March to 13 April. All countries started suffering in this period. 13 April, India is trying to control very successfully. US curve is flattening now, other countries' curve is flattening, and after 24th April you will find that almost all countries are finding a peaceful solution to the problem. Curve, due to nature or other factors, successful operations done by government at various levels, corona warriors, doctors, paramedical staff, other factors will start coming under control, and maybe by 22nd of September, corona will be totally under control. May not be totally eradicated, but like influenza or other viruses which are available, like chikungunya or other kind of problems, dengue, it will also be tackled successfully, and countries will be out of problem. So one can say that Europe, US and these countries were not careful in their lifestyle, their approach, their culture, their values, etc., and suffered hugely on account of this thing. Coronavirus taught everybody how to live life, what you should do, what you should not do on various aspects. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.